How to download OnlyFans on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to guide if you're trying to download OnlyFans for your Android devices. Then in this video I'm going to show you the exact process that you need. If you check for OnlyFans on the Play Store, you cannot find the application because it is not available on the Google Play Store. In this case, what you can do is open up your web browser and search for onlyfans.com. Once you are logged into your OnlyFans, you can tap on the three dots that you see on the top right, which is this option. If you tap on it, a drop down menu will open up. Now all you need to do is tap on an option which says add to home screen. Tap on it and the OnlyFans name will be automatically added. You can tap on add. Now once that is done, if you head back, a shortcut of OnlyFans will be created on your phone, which will be pretty much similar to an app. Now whenever you tap on the app, you will directly land on the OnlyFans and you don't need to open up your web browser and search for onlyfans.com. So that's the way on downloading OnlyFans on your Android. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure you comment down below. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.